going to learn the king of grammar, that is parts of speech. The first topic, that is nouns. In this video, we are going to cover all the topics here before you. Nouns, types of nouns, singular and plural nouns, common and proper nouns. So I request each and everyone who is watching the video to stay until the end and watch the video completely. So what is a noun? So I would just want to give a small trick to you. I don't want to exaggerate. Noun is nothing but all names. Names of everything. Names of everything is called as a noun. So as I told you in the previous video about a word, that English language is all about the words. So in this words, the first part is the noun. So we every day without names we don't end our day, right? We call our names, we call our children, we call the body parts, we call the things, we call the places, we call each and everything with a particular name. So remember, the other name of the noun is the name. Okay, it is the name of the people, places, and also the things. And in this, let us in detail see how you can call the people's name. People name. So people are nouns that refer to individuals, right? My name is Aparna. Your name might be a Sarah or Jack or some other name. Or now in front of me, laptop is there. Laptop is a name. A pen is there in my hand. Hand is a name. A pen is a name. So all these are names. So there will be a singular and also a plural noun. Singular means only one. Plural means more than one, either two or three or more. Okay, for example, if I tell a girl, girl is a singular noun and girls are plural nouns. Okay, what is a place? So we have so many places around us. Mostly place means we think of the countries, cities, villages, towns, yeah, and some other areas in our city, okay, like JP Nagar, SK Nagar, Amirpet, all these comes under place. Not only that, we also call park, school, beach, city. Even these are also the places where the children, public people will be there. So place refers to every kind of place, not just to the country, city, towns. Okay, even these are also the types of nouns. And even we call some things also with some particular names. As I told you, now I have a pen in my hand. Pen is a thing. Glass is a thing. Bottle is a thing. What is a thing? It is a non-living one. All the living things are comes under people, animals, yeah, tree and plants. But all the non-living ones comes under things. So things refers to like ball, book, chair, toy. Even these are also called as nouns. So even things are also having singular and plural. If I have one pen, it is singular. And if I have two pens or five pens, we call it as plural. For plural, we call it as pens. Done? And let us identify nouns in a sentence. How can you identify a noun? Noun can be identified by asking who or what in a sentence. This is very, very important. Just question yourself who is there in the sentence and what is there in the sentence. For example, here the cat is sleeping. Who is sleeping here? Cat. So cat is a noun. What is cat doing here? Sleep. Yeah, sleeping. Done. So yes, so you have to question the sentence. Who is there and what is cat doing and what is sleeping? Then you can get the noun. For example, if I take the boy is eating, and then who is eating here? The boy is eating. Now the boy is noun. So question the sentence by who and what and identify the noun in a very easy way. And coming to singular and plural nouns as we already discussed now. So when we refer singular noun. When there is only one person or one place or one thing, we call it as singular, like dog, car, hat, and anything. Plural means when it has more than one person, place, or thing. Just putting yes. Just put yes beside a word or a noun. It becomes plural. See, I'm keeping s over here. It became dogs. I'm putting s over here. It became cars. Not only s, sometimes we have to put ears. Okay, ears also depending upon the words. So we will discuss in the coming videos about this. And some other nouns are there, very important. So proper nouns are there. So generally nouns means nothing but only names. Names of people, place, animal, and things. That's what we have studied up to now. But now I'm going to tell you a special names will be there. What are the special names? For example, India. India is the country's name. No other country has India as their country's name. It is a unique name. It has a special name for that. So for that special names, we call them as proper nouns. For example, my name is Aparna. So it's special for me because other people no might be some other people have, but exactly for me I am called Aparna. So it's special name for me. So all the names of the people, okay, some people, and also some countries, and some religious places, tourist places, etc., we call them as proper nouns. And very important thing is they always start with a capital letter. See, India, I starts with capital, Aparna, A starts with capital. So whenever you see a word with a capital letter, then just assume and just trust me, tell it as a proper noun. Proper noun has a capital letter as the first letter for the word. Just remember this. So that will be your proper noun. And coming to the proper common nouns, what is a common noun? We already studied the proper nouns. Just remember it is a special name starts always with a capital letter. Okay, so now coming to the common nouns. Common nouns are general names for people. General names, like other than proper nouns, I can tell you, other than proper nouns, all the remaining names are called as common nouns. Other than proper nouns. Okay, just remember this. Other than proper nouns, remaining city, teacher, dog, glass, book, animal names, tiger, so cheetah, all this. Okay, we call them as common nouns. See, I told you tiger, cheetah. Are they common nouns? No, they are proper nouns. Why? Because we start the letter with capital T. Okay. Coming to the next video, we are going to do the next video on pronouns. So we are going to do a series of complete English basic grammar. So do subscribe and follow to become fluent in English, and don't forget to like. Thank you.